Hello student, welcome back to GYANJYOTI online classes. Student, now today we will discuss about our chapter number 15, that is water and its importance. Okay, so student, in our previous video we have learned the some sources that physics related chapter, lights, shadows and reflections, that is physics. Now come the environmental, that is the environmental science. So we already learned about our chapter water and its importance and different sources of water, and also we have learned that the water cycle. So mainly based in this chapter, mainly based on the water cycle and conservation of the natural environment. Okay, and different pollution. We know about the different pollutions. Okay, so student, mainly we will discuss about the water pollution. Okay, what is the effect on human being as well as the environment. Okay, so water pollution nowadays, that is the important polluted factor that is mainly affect the human being and impact also the animals, aquatic animals. Okay, so student, let's start some objective type questions. Number A. Take the correct answer. Okay, student. So first, the process of conversion of gas into liquid is called, first of their option given: A, evaporation; B, condensation; C, transpiration; and D, none of these. Okay, so student, the conversion of gas into liquid, that is process condensation. So we know about the liquid convert into gas, that is evaporation. But in case of conversion of gas into liquid, that is condensation. Okay, number B, sorry, number A, 1. Number 2, which of these is not a source of groundwater? Okay, well, hand pump, river, tube well. Okay, so student, tube well, that is also source of groundwater, hand pump also source of groundwater, well also source of groundwater. But in here a river, that is the rainwater. Okay, and this is the external way of the water depth. So a river is the right answer. Number 3, which of the following conditions is not associated with water? Right? Drought, flood, earthquake, tsunami. Okay, so student, in here you can imagine that drought, mainly lack of water that cause drought, and flood, excess of water that cause, and earthquake, that is the natural disaster, and tsunami also related, associated with water. So student, earthquake, that is natural disaster and not related with, not associated with water. Okay, student. Number 4, the best source of fresh water in nature is groundwater, rainwater, C, river water, and D, sea water. So student, rainwater, that is the best source of fresh water. Rainwater. How many ways are there by which we can harvest rainwater? Okay, so student, there are different ways, mainly divided into two kinds, that is A 2, B 3 and C 1 and D 4. So student, rainwater harvest, we can harvest many ways, that is two ways. Okay. So student, you have to do all these numbers correctly. Okay. Now comes number B. Fill in the blank. Okay. First number, the source of water in well is the depth water. Okay. So student, this is groundwater. Number 2, the process of depth plays an important role in bringing water back to the surface of the earth. Okay, that is water cycle. Okay. Number 3, loss of water from plant is called transpiration. Okay. Student, in at that time when the excretory product of the plant that mainly release when the excess of water, when the leaf that release remove the waste material from their body part. Okay. Number 4, the best source of fresh water in nature is first groundwater, second rainwater, third river water, and D, that is sea water. Okay. So student, best source of fresh water, that is rainwater. Sorry, this is number 4 number. The lack of rain may cause drought. Okay. Number 5, collecting rainwater for future use is called rainwater harvesting. Okay. So student, we can use for future, that is rainwater harvesting. Okay. Next, now it comes student number C, state true or false. State true and false. First statement, the evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. Yes, that is the impact of sunlight that water convert into liquid water, that is liquid form convert into vapor form. Okay. So number 1, that is true statement. Number 2, building dams prevent floods and drought. Yes, this is also true statement. Number 3, several tiny droplets come together to form a cloud. Yes, the vapor convert into by the process of condensation and form the cloud. Okay, this is also true statement. Number 4, hailstorm, snow and dew are liquid forms of water. No student, that is also that include the solid form of water. Okay, so this statement is false. Number 5, sea water is the largest source of water. Yes.